Giving away your iPhone 11, 11 Pro, Pro Max, fixing a software issue, or just want a completely fresh start. In this video, I will show you 2 simple ways to factory reset your iPhone running with iOS 27 safely without needing your PC. So before we begin, make sure you back up anything important using iCloud, an encrypted computer backup, or by transferring your data directly to another phone or iPhone, because a factory reset will erase everything from your device. So if you're running with iOS 27 and maybe you've forgotten your iPhone passcode or your device is stuck in a boot loop, you can now reset your iPhone directly through recovery mode without using your PC. So let's get started. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and immediately after that press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo with the loading recovery option appears. So now you have to wait until the recovery option screen here. So now when you see this page, you have to go to the option erase all content and settings. Now tap it once more to confirm. And next, if you see the option to send data to Apple, simply choose whichever option you prefer. I just go for the first one and now enter your iPhone passcode if prompted. Now at this point, you will see a 10 seconds countdown. So once it's finished, the erase process will begin automatically. So after that, your iPhone will restart and display the Apple logo. Meanwhile, the reset will continue in the background, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So once it's finished, you will be greeted by the hello screen. That means your iPhone has been completely erased and is ready to set up again. So now the method 2, if you're using an older version of iOS, don't worry, the process is just as easy. Simply open up your settings, tap General, and then scroll all the way down to transfer or reset iPhone. Now here, choose erase all content and settings. Now tap Continue, and when prompted, enter your iPhone passcode. And now if you had like, you can back up your data to iCloud from here. Otherwise, just tap Skip Backup to continue. So now you may also be asked to enter your Apple account password to turn off Find My iPhone. Finally, when you're okay, tap Erase iPhone to confirm. And from here, your iPhone will restart and begin wiping all of your data. Just give it a few minutes, and once the process is complete, you will see the hello screen again. And that's all there is to it. Your iPhone has now been factory reset and is ready to fresh start. So I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for your time.